Fairmont The Queen Elizabeth opened its doors in 1958 and has recently undertaken a large-scale renovation to include LG TVs and digital signage. From the time guests arrive in the lobby of Fairmont The Queen Elizabeth, with its balance of modern and classic decor, they will be able to enjoy the full LG user experience.
Fairmont The Queen Elizabeth is more than just a place to stay. As one of Montreal's leading hotels, for travelers, social events, and business conferences, our goal is to make sure that all of our guests truly have a memorable stay. One that meets all of their needs, whether here for business meetings or a relaxing vacation.
With a slim and modern design, LG's hotel TVs promote a luxurious atmosphere, and with the uniquely thin TV mirror design shown here, they fit seamlessly into the Fairmont's high-end interiors. Also, LG TVs make more efficient use of space in guest rooms with the rotating swivel stand. As a business partner, LG also provides a wide range of solutions for more effective management of content. RF infrastructure with integrated BLAN makes it easy for hotels to expand and upgrade their operations, from reservations to property and channel management and beyond. The HTML5, Flash, and Java-based Pro-centric Smart platform includes an SDK, making it especially easy for system integration partners to create customized solutions. As a robust downtown facility, Fairmont The Queen Elizabeth offers a fully equipped business hub, Colab 3, located on its third floor to accommodate diverse meeting scenarios and workspaces adapted to various needs for large and small gatherings. Here in Colab 3, there is a large video wall constructed of LG OLED signage. This media wall is large in scale and offers unrivaled OLED resolution in a curved design that is sure to attract attention. The perfect color spectrum display and curved design add an artistic element to Colab 3 and offer a modern solution for business meetings and conferences. Meeting rooms in Colab 3 also showcase LG 0.9mm even bezel video walls and large-scale touch displays, arranged with total focus on user convenience and experience.
Fairmont Queen Elizabeth's selection of LG as its technology solution for Colab 3 was a natural fit, with both brands' identity and values being aligned from a global perspective, from focusing in on technology of tomorrow, for us to align and provide our meetings guests with a leading-edge technology experience. The LG technology solution provided here at the Fairmont Queen Elizabeth's new Colab 3, the business hub, is differentiating the direction that meeting experience is taking today.
Next, there is the Fitness Center, where LG has installed the world's first 0.9mm even bezel video wall. As LG is leading the video wall market with competitive bezel technology, this installation makes for an even more immersive viewing experience. Paired with Fitness on Demand's large catalog of virtual fitness classes, the clear resolution of the IPS panels brings a lively atmosphere to the Fitness Center.
Accor is a global hospitality group with hotels from luxury to economy properties. We were looking for a global partner, being able to service our hotels in this region, very innovative products. We decided to develop LG in South America a few years ago, and we implemented 150 hotels. Now we have decided to extend this experience to North America with the Queen Elizabeth Fairmont here in Montreal.
We were hired to be the project managers on this hotel. Very thrilled to be part of this major transformation and renovation of this landmark hotel. The hotel is comprised of 950 rooms over 21 floors. It was a major endeavor. The goal of the technology aspect of this project was to provide the most innovative products that we could find on the market, and also to ensure total guest satisfaction. This was achieved through LG's state-of-the-art products.
The Fairmont Queen Elizabeth is a true expression of the LG hotel experience, demonstrating a full range of LG product solutions. Through collaborative partnership and out-of-the-box thinking, we're able to deliver on a truly unique and special project.
LG Digital Signage is maximizing the atmosphere and guest experience at Fairmont The Queen Elizabeth. The technology delivers effective hospitality solutions, diversifies design spaces, and enables more efficient hotel management.
The signage you choose has the power to move hearts and minds. LG Information Display.